Travelon Slim Crossbody Bag. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don. Today I'll have another episode of Travel Essentials review, and we're going to be looking at a Travelon Slim Crossbody Bag, which I have right here. So this is part of the Travelon World Travel Accessories Essentials series, and I have their various other products, which you'll find in the link description box below. Now this is a slim crossbody bag. As you can see that this is really slim. I am thinking that this could be the world's slimmest crossbody bag, because I don't think you can make it slimmer than this. Now let's look at some of the features from here. So this has wide opening main compartment for everyday essentials, RFID protection, adjustable crossbody strap, lightweight and water resistant material, and then easy access rear pocket for quick grab items. So the easy access pocket is right here. You can just keep your essentials without pulling the zipper on for quick access. And then if you take a look here, it looks like we have two different compartments here. So the first compartment doesn't have any organizational pockets or mini or sub compartments. So that's all we have here. And then the next one has actually a few slots. So these look like for credit card or driver's license. And then this one looks like for small change or small items. Now I don't see any passport slot, but I think this is where you're going to be keeping your passport, because this is for sure the passport. I don't think the passport is going to fit here, but as you can see that this doesn't have enough space for a lot of things, and this is very slim. And the other thing I noticed that this is the strap are very slim as well, and this is very easy for thief to cut. So I wouldn't recommend this when you're traveling or when you're outside your traveling many different places, but definitely this is a good one for just for everyday use in your own base location. And here that's what they're saying here, that the size and shape is ideal for daily personal use or travel, which is right here. So I wouldn't recommend for travel due to the security concerns, but if you're looking for something for travel which has full protection, then I would recommend something like this, which is a Travelon anti-theft security bag or sling bag. They have different variations of this type of bag, which has full security protection. For example, slash proof, cut proof strap, and a lot of other features. And I have a review of these, which you'll find in the description box below. But this is not bad for daily use, going just here and there quickly. And in terms of price, this is on sale, so you're going to find this for probably around $15 to $30, which is not bad. But this is very low profile, and you can just keep it close to your body. But definitely this is not going to work for security reasons, where you're going to lots of pickpockets and if you have security concerns. But I'm just going to be using it just going outside my condo once in a while. But definitely this is not going to be my main sling bag or crossbody bag. And looks like this one also, the adjustable belt or adjustable strap, and it doesn't have that many features. And they're saying that this material is water resistant, but it doesn't say the bag is waterproof. So I have a feeling that if you're in rain or splash of water is okay, but definitely you shouldn't submerge or soak this into water. So overall, this is not a bad slim bag for those who are looking for something really low profile, just a quick grab and going here and there in your home country, but not recommended for international travel. So for the next travel tips and hacks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.